Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to completely turn off your Windows 11 update. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting updates again and again, then I will show you how to turn off your Windows 11 update completely. So first what you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here gp edit. You can see here edit group policy, click on this. Just I will maximize the screen. Here under computer configuration you will find administrative templates. Double click and expand. After that you have to find Windows component. Double click and expand. Then you have to scroll down and find Windows update. As you can see, Windows update. Double click and expand. In this you will find manage end user experience. You have to just single click on that, come to the right side. Here you will find configure automatic updates. Double click on that. In this it has been selected as not configured. You have to just select disable. Already I have disabled. After disabling, just click on apply, then click OK. After this you have to just close this window. In this, and the second method is you have to just click on the search menu again, type your services, click on the services. Select any one of the service, then scroll down. You need to find Windows update in this. Here you will find Windows update. Double click on that, click on startup type, then click on disable, then click on start, click on apply, then click OK. Again you have to right click on that, then click on stop. Close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can turn off Windows 11 update completely. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.